Albany, New York. Check it out.
Uh-oh! What? What? Wait a minute! What the hell? King! It can't be! Look at that! King! Hit it! What? He's doing the time trap with the beer truck! Austin! The beer truck! Look at that! Wait a minute, King! Austin from the beer truck! He can't do that! The rattlesnake's crashing the corporation's party! He's planning a party of his own! Ah! What a reaction!
You damn right, because Stone Cold Steve Austin has been jerked around long enough. And I will say this, with Paul White as a special referee or without him, it really don't make a damn, because that belt is coming with me, and that's all I got to say about that. For the last few weeks, shut your little lips. If I come there and punch your little glasses off right now. For the last few weeks, I come out here and I sit here and listen to you spin your little nursery rhymes about Jabroni Avenue or Know Your Road Boulevard. Jesus Christ, son, you better get your ass serious, because Stone Cold Steve Austin is going to take his ass to Philadelphia, check right in to the SmackDown Hotel, roll right in to room 316, and burn that son of a to the ground.
The rattlesnake's ornery tonight!
You look at me. Take your little glasses off so I can see your eyeballs, son. Pull them off, because I want you to look right here. When that bell rings and the match is over, you are looking at the next WWF champion, and that's the bottom line, because Stone Cold said so.
King Stone Cold Steve Austin is focused!
As far as right now goes, the big celebration afterwards, Stone Cold's gonna drink a hell of a lot of beer, but I think we ought to share a little pre-match beer right now.
Pre-match beer? He's gonna break.
I'll tell you what, hey, Stone Cold Jabroni, you come out here and you make your idle threats like you're the great one, but obviously you're not. So The Rock says you take that truck and drive it right back down